Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to screen record easily on Windows 11 without installing any extra apps. First, just press Windows plus Shift plus R on your keyboard like this, and then the record box on the Snipping Tools will be appears like this. And then next, just select the area that you want to record. You can fully customize the size and choose any part of the screen that you like. For example, I will just make it like this. And, and then next, if you want to record audio, just turn on the microphone icon. This one, just click on it. And it will also allow you to record your voice system sounds over here. And when everything is ready, just click on start like this. It's so easy. And then when you're done recording, just simply tap on stop recording like this, and then it will automatically save to your laptop. And okay, maybe that's it. It's simple, fast, and built directly into Windows 11. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.